How to add your first customer in Wave. First of all, log into your Wave account and go to your dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Sales and Payments and then select Customers to begin adding your first customer. Next, click on the Add a Customer button at the top right corner of the page. This will open a form where you can enter all the details for your new customer. Start by typing the customer's full name or business name, then enter their email address, phone number, account number, website and notes. Make sure all the information is correct because it will appear on invoices and payment receipt. Next, move to the billing address section where you will find the currency option. Choose the currency your customer uses if it is different from your default currency and then enter their full billing address. After that, scroll down to add additional details such as the shipping address if it's different from the billing address. You can also include delivery instructions to help you remember specific details about the customer. After entering all the necessary information, click the Save button. Your customer will now appear in your customer list and you can start creating invoices and tracking transactions for them. Now you know how to add your first customer in Wave. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.